Hi, my dear students. If you are a CAT aspirant going for your exam on 30th November, you must have received an official mail which has come with a heading like this: Important Instructions for CAT 2025 Exam Day, 30th November 2025. So, since I've also filled the form, I've got this mail. Please check your inbox. And what does this suggest? This suggests the first instruction is admit card. So, the admit card should be printed on A4 using a laser printer, and this should be carried on the test day for verification. You have to attach the uploaded photograph. So do understand this, जो आपने फॉर्म में पिक्चर जब आपने सबमिशन किया था फॉर्म का, उसमें जो आपने पिक्चर यूज करी है, द पिक्चर शुड बी द सेम. Present the admit card at the test. It's only valid for the specific test date and session. Now, identity card, you have to carry with yourself at least one government issued identity card. इन्होंने मेंशन किया है पैन, ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस, वोटर आईडी, पासपोर्ट, आधार विद फोटो. ध्यान रखिएगा, ई आधार, राशन कार्ड और आईडी एफिडेविट विद द एडमिट कार्ड. सो द आईडी शुड बी अनडैमेज. ध्यान रखिएगा, योर पिक्चर शुड बी क्लियरली विजिबल. whatever details you have filled in your actual form, those should match. अगर आपने एडमिट कार्ड में आपका प्रॉपर पूरा नाम है और अगर आपके पास जो आईडी प्रूफ है उसमें सरनेम नहीं है, ऐसे ग्लिचेस को अवॉइड करिए. द डिटेल शुड बी एग्जैक्टली द सेम. Now, reporting time at the venue. So it is suggested that you reach timely and enter into the venue, because once the closing time is there, then the permission would not be given. As far as electronic gadgets are concerned, this is really crucial. ध्यान रखिएगा, मोबाइल फोन, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स, वॉचेस, calculator, stationery, paper, wallet, goggles are not allowed. Please do not wear any jewelry, metal items, thick soled shoes or garments with large buttons. Centers might not have the clock rooms, so आप unnecessarily puzzle हो जाएंगे वहाँ पर. कई बार आपकी जो belongings होती हैं बहुत expensive होती है, so either have somebody with you or it is advised that do not carry these items. Then the writing pad will be provided. You have to write your name and application number on it. So the bio breaks ideally should be avoided, because then you're wasting your own time, right? So I hope this helps. Now give your 100%, have a solid positive mindset. God bless you. Vijay Bhav.